So we're going to do beans in a way that you can watch them growing. We're going to do beans in a bag, which we then stick onto the window, and beans in a jar. Alright, first of all, Iona, can you stuff this jar with kitchen roll, please? Alright, let's get lots in because you want it quite full. Alright. You could also use cotton wool, that would work fine.
But we don't have cotton wool.
No, we can use this. Right, okay. One more bit, what do you think? One more bit. Alright. Okay, now can you water the tissue for me, please? Right, I'll hold this, you water.
It's heavy.
Oh, okay, I'll help you. Alright, I'll tell you what, you hold the jar. That's it. Whee! Okay, so you want it damp, but not totally soaked. That's probably enough, I think. Let's have a look. Let's make sure it's kind of run around a bit. That'll do. Okay, now, do you want to put some beans? And the idea is that you put, these are runner bean seeds. The idea is that you put them down the edges of the paper towel. Put them right down the edges, sweetheart. Push them down so that you can see them growing. Might have to get a stick to push them down, possibly. A couple more, and around the edges. Okay. Right, now that'll do for that one. And now we'll push them down with the stick a little bit further down after. And then, do you know how we're going to do it in here?
Yeah.
We're going to get 2 pieces of kitchen roll, and I want you to put it nice and flat. It's any kind of bag that has a Ziploc or that doesn't, but you could just fold it over and sellotape it. That's fine. Not with holes though, because you want the dampness to stay inside. Right, can you put that flat into there? Whoop. Maybe put the joined bit in first. Right, you put that in. All right, we'll do it together. Ah.
Yeah.
Ah. Okay, now can you water this one? Give it a good water. All right, maybe a bit more. That'll be enough, I reckon. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is put some beans into there.
Can I put some in?
Yep. You put them down at the bottom. Well, they'll fall down to the bottom anyway. Maybe 2 more. That'll do. Do you want to do the zip?
Yeah.
Push them down to the bottom. All right. There we have it. Right, shall we show them where we're going to put it now?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, and now we're back and we have our beans in a bag, which we're going to stick onto the windowsill. Window. It's not a windowsill. You know what I mean. Right, hold that while I get more sellotape. Where's it gone? Woo!
Oh no.
Alright, you keep holding it, I'll get bigger bits.
And I will stick them up.
Alright, you want to stick that bit?
Yeah.
So we're lucky that we've got a patio doors here, but so she can get up to the door at her own height. But any window will do, as long as it gets sun. You stick a bit at the top. Is that one folded over? Alright, there we go. One more bit. Put it up there. Well done, sweetheart. Alright, and now we'll leave that for a few days and see what happens, and hopefully the beans will germinate. And we're back about 10 days later. Do you want to say hello again?
Hello.
So, we had a bit of a disaster with the bag. The beans went mouldy. I think it was probably because the bag was sealed, so you could try it with an open bag at the top, but to be honest, this is a much better method. So we had a slight alteration to this partway through. Even in this, the tissue paper started going mouldy, so what we did was we replaced the original tissue paper and we put in there a toilet roll wrapped in toilet paper. Shall we take the beans out?
Okay.
Oh, in fact, before we take the beans out, shall we show them what's growing? Do you want to tell them what's growing
No,
there?
I want to just take them out.
You just want to take them out? Well, quickly. Roots all the way down. Shoots coming out the top. It's actually been genuinely quite interesting to watch this whole happening. We'll just carefully pull the toilet roll first. Oh goodness, they're delicate, aren't they? Right, hang on, I'll get it started. Okay, you want to take them out?
Okay.
Ooh,
Every.
you want to take them all off? You take them off and have a look at them.
Roots.
How cool is that, eh? Yours has got, wow, look at the roots on that one. Should I hold it up to the camera?
Wow.
And that's the shoot just emerging from the bean.
Wow.
That's got the biggest shoot.
Amazing.
It's really cool, actually. Got any more? I think we only had 4 surviving. I have a feeling even in this one of the beans went mouldy. Just put them in the compost. Right, what should we do with it next? Should we put them into this pot? Which direction do you think we should put them? That way or that way? Yeah, roots down. Definitely roots down at the bottom. Shoot coming up. So we're putting them into a sufficiently deep pot to accommodate the roots, and we'll let them grow on a bit before planting them out into the garden.
And I tell what little people do though.
Yep.
You grow these and then you put them in soil and cover them up.
It's true. And then eventually what will we grow off them? More beans!
No, don't. Just do this.
Do you think we might get Jack and the Beanstalk living up it? Or it's the giant that lives up the top, isn't it? We'll have to grow them big if we want a giant to live at the top.
Okay, let's
Yeah.
put them in.
Alright. Bye!